Okay, so this is how I change my white balance from auto white balance to a custom preset white balance using a grey card on my Fujifilm X-H1. Now it's important to remember to place the grey card directly in front of your subject or right next to it, so that the light falling onto the grey card is the same as the light that would fall onto your subject. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the existing white balance setting on my camera, and here you can see that it's set to auto white balance. Next I will zoom in on the grey card to ensure that the screen is fully grey. If you can't zoom in enough to do that, then move closer to the grey card. Don't bring the grey card closer to you, otherwise you will lose the light that should be falling on your subject. Next I will go back into my white balance settings, and I will then scroll through my options to find my 3 custom presets. So I have custom 1, custom 2 and custom 3. On this occasion I'm going to use custom 1, so I'm going to select custom 1. I then press the right arrow on my multi-selector and I will get this screen to set my custom 1, and what I do now is press the shutter release. Once I've done that, you'll see it says completed. Now all I have to do now is select OK, and my white balance has been set to custom 1. Now that your custom white balance is set, don't forget to change it next time you use your camera, or if the lighting conditions change dramatically. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.